Welcome to the session on sequence topic, and it is important for SBI Clerk Prelim exam. In most of the slots of SBI Clerical Prelim, you may be given 4 to 5 questions from the area of sequence, and it is very easy model. You can complete, if they give 5 questions also, you can complete in less than 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes time. Okay, but in answering these questions in a hurry, there is a chance of committing a mistake, so please avoid that. Okay, so let's take up the 2 sets under this sequence, 2 models, and we'll discuss the questions. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Time for Bank Exams. Let's move on to the questions. These questions are based on the following sequence of digits, letters and symbols. So in this sequence we have the letters, digits as well as symbols. And what is the one is given? What is the question number 1? If all the letters are dropped, how many digits are there which are immediately followed by a symbol and preceded by a symbol? Okay, first of all we have to drop the letters. Let's drop the letters. If you drop the letters, what is the new sequence will be? Triangle, 9, T, star, and it is also symbol, it is not a letter, right? And A, F is ruled out, so 5 and %, theta, and then hashtag 2, S and Q are ruled out, right? So it is not a S. Greater than plus 8. Now it is a new sequence. If all the letters are dropped, then how many digits are there which are immediately preceded and followed by a symbol? So digits preceded by a symbol as well as followed by a symbol we are looking for. Now, okay, even 9 T will also not come, right? Even T will also not come, because all the letters are dropped. So 9 is immediately preceded and immediately followed by a symbol, right? Now 5 is also immediately preceded and immediately followed by a symbol. Next, 2 is also immediately preceded and immediately followed by a symbol. 8 immediately preceded by a symbol but immediately followed by a symbol that we don't know. Right, so 8 won't be taken into consideration. So what are the digits we can take it into consideration? 9, 5 and 2. So total 3 digits. There are 3 digits which are immediately followed by a symbol and preceded by a symbol when all the letters are dropped. Now move to the next question. How many such digits are there which are immediately followed by a letter and immediately preceded by a symbol? So what we are actually looking for, how many digits are there which are immediately followed by a letter and immediately preceded by a symbol. Immediately preceded by a symbol. So digits, symbol, letter. Digit, symbol, letter. So let's focus on the digits. Right. First digit is 9. Preceded by a symbol? Yes. Followed by a letter? Yes. So 9 can be taken into consideration. Now where is the next digit? 5. Is it preceded by a symbol? No. So it will not come under the consideration. Next, 2 is there. Preceded by a symbol? Yes. Followed by a letter? Yes. Perfectly matching 2. Next digit is 8. Preceded by a symbol? Yes. Followed by a letter? Yes. Perfectly matching. So 9, 2, 8. So how many are there? 3 are there. So choice 4 is your answer. Very simple questions they will give you. This is preceded and this one is followed. Next, 4 of the following 5 are alike in a certain way and hence form a group. Which is the one that does not belong to that group? Odd man out question. So within the sequence, You have given 5 options. Now you need to check the logic within these elements basing on this sequence, and you have to find out which one is the odd man out. Let's identify the relation between L, X, 5. L is here, X is here, 5 is here. So 2 elements are missing, 1 element is missing. So missing elements are 2 and 1. Okay. Let's move on to the S hashtag Y. S hashtag Y. S hashtag 1 element is missing. Hashtag and V. 1 element is missing. Okay. 1 element is missing. Let's move on to the plus Q2. We have plus here. Plus 2Q. 2 elements are missing. And what about the Q22? 1 element is missing. 1 element is missing. Okay. Let's move on to the A star 9. A2 star. 2 elements are missing. What about the star 2 9? 1 element is missing. 1 element is missing. Let's move on to the greater than 2. Greater than and 2. 2 elements are missing. 2 to L. 1 element is missing. Now, which is odd man out? Second option. Everywhere, first element to the second element, 2 elements are missing, and second to third element, 1 element is missing. But in choice 2, first to second and second to third, only one element is missing. Right? So 2 is the odd man out. Move to the next question. Which element is 9th element to the right of? So 9th right. 5th element to the left of. 5th left. Of 11th element from the left hand. 11th element from the left hand. 11th element from the left hand. So our calculation starts from left hand. Right? So whatever this, this kind of questions we have to solve it in the reverse approach. Okay? Now, and question is based on the left hand. Question is based on the left hand. So for this left hand, whatever the number is mentioned, take this as it is. Now, in this entire question, as the question is based on the left hand, wherever you see the left, give the minus symbol. What is the digit given? 5. And wherever the right you see, give the plus 6. Means when question is based on the left hand, left term will be minus, right term will be plus. If the question is based on right hand, right term will be minus, left term will be plus. Whether it is left hand or right hand, it will be given at the end of the question. Okay. So 11 minus 5, 6, 6 plus 6, 12. So 12th, and we have to start counting from where? Left hand. So 12th from the left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It's theta. 11, sorry, it is 9th, right? I am extremely sorry, it is 9th element. 11 minus 6, 11 minus 5, 6, 6 plus 9, 15th element. So 12, 13, 14, 15. Hashtag. Choice 3 is your answer. Okay. Now move on to the next question. If the first half of the sequence is reversed, which element is 5th element to the right of? So 5th right. Second element to the left of? Second left. 7th element from the left hand. 7th element from the left hand. So question is based on the left hand. But what is mentioned, first half of the sequence is reversed. So first let's check it till where first half is. So first we have to count the total number of elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Total 24 elements are there. So first half will be first 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Till here first 12 elements. So what they are trying to say is this half is reversed. So instead of reversing it, you can start counting from here onwards. You can consider this as the left hand, right? Okay? No. What is given? Otherwise you can reverse it also. Theta x and percent phi a symbol f star t 9 triangle m. Okay? Without reversing also we can do it. I will explain you in both the ways. Now, so question is based on the left hand. So left, wherever you see the left, it will be minus. And what is the number mentioned here? 7. And this is left. so minus 2. It is right, so plus 5. 7 minus 2, 5, 5 plus 5, 10. 10th from where? Left hand. So we have to count from the left hand. So what I am suggesting is, instead of reversing the sequence, directly start counting from here onwards, the left hand. Because this is reversed, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It is 9. So choice 3 is your answer. Okay. Now move to the next question. Next set. Now we have given only letter sequence. And what is the question given? How many such vowels are there in the above sequence which occurs after G in the English alphabetical series, which are immediately preceded by a consonant and immediately followed by a consonant? So I have to consider the vowels that comes after G. What are the vowels considered after G? I, O, U. These three vowels comes under after G. And what is the condition given? A vowel immediately preceded and immediately followed by a consonant. And this vowel should not be AE. This has to be IOU only. Okay. So let's check for IOU vowels. I preceded and followed by a consonant. So I can be taken into consideration. Next, where is the next vowel? U. Preceded and followed by a consonant. So U can be taken into consideration. Next, anyway E is ruled out, A is ruled out because that occurs before G. Next, O. Preceded by a consonant and followed by a consonant. So O is also a required element. Next, A anyway it won't comes under. Now O. Preceded by a consonant and followed by a consonant. So how many vowels are there? 4 vowels are there. I, U, O, O. 4 vowels. Choice 2. If they have asked how many different vowels, then it will be 3 I, U, O. But here it is given, here we are getting 4 times. I, U, O 2 times. So 4 vowels. Okay. Now move to the next question. Which letter is 4th to the left of 10th from the right hand in the above sequence? 10th from the right hand. So what is the number mentioned here? 10. Left is plus. In the right hand, right will be minus. So 10 plus 4, 14th from the right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. U. So choice 3 is your answer. Okay. Now move to the next question. If all the vowels are dropped, which vowel is 12th from the left hand? So from left hand onwards, you have to count the 12th vowel. So instead of dropping the vowels, don't count the vowels. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So what is the answer? Q. Just skip the vowels. Don't drop the vowels and don't write the new sequence and don't waste your time in the exam. Okay. Now move to the next question. If the first 10 letters of the sequence and the last 10 letters of the sequence are reversed, okay, then which among the following is 4th to the left of 17th element from the right hand of the sequence? Right hand of the sequence. So first 10 elements, last 10 elements are reversed, means you have to count the total number of elements. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. First 10 elements. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next 10 elements. Okay. So I don't suggest you to reverse it. You can start counting. This is first from the left hand now. This is first from the right hand now. Right. Now what is the question given? 4th to the left of 17th from the right hand. So question is based on the right hand. What is the number mentioned here? 17 plus 4. In the right hand, left will be plus. 17 plus 4, 21. 21st from the right hand. Okay. So till here already we counted, it is 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15. Now what I suggest you is, as you are trying to find the 21st from the right end, when it is reversed, A will come here, right? So start counting from here. So 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So it is J, choice 1. No need to reverse it and no need to write the new sequence and no need to waste your time. Start counting from here. When it is reversed, automatically what will happen? FMVD JTR IWA. So you will be starting from here only, right? Counting after 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So what I am suggesting is, instead of reversing it, directly count here. Think logically. Okay. Now move to the last question. Which is 9 to the right of, third to the right of 13th letter from the right end of the sequence. So first 9th right and third right and 13th letter from the right end. 13th from the right end. So question is based on a right end. So take the number as it is, 13. In the right end, right will be minus 3. Again right, or minus 9. So what is this? 13 minus 3, 10, 10 minus 9, 1. So you have to find out the first from the right end. What is the first from the right end is? Yes, choice 3. Okay. These are very easy questions, but the problem is, in a hurry, there is a chance of committing a mistake. Please avoid it. Okay. And you can score 5 out of 5 in less than 2 minutes time. Okay. All the best. And if you have any queries, you can post your queries in our social media handles, and please subscribe to our social media handles: Telegram channel, YouTube channel, Instagram and Facebook, and description links are given in the, social media handles are given in the description box. Okay. And for classroom coaching, contact our nearest time center. For online course, you can enroll at t4e.info/bank online. Okay. All the best for your exams. Thank you. Have a great day.